Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Dear student, our today's topic is chapter 5 and today let's see today's topic. This is chapter 5. We have already discussed this chapter. Today we will do creative question answer of this chapter, and this is lecture number 9, and I will give you some SW. Our SW number will be 6. So let's start today's class. At first, you can see here is a stem, here is a picture, and here is a mark Z, this one Z and this one is Y. A number question is, what is villus? B number question is, why should one brush teeth after taking foods? Explain. C number is, what are the functions of Y mark part? That means this one. And D number is, when Z mark part is damaged, what are the problems arise in human body? A number, I have already discussed A number question answer, but I will tell this answer again. What is villus? In inner walls of ileum, there are finger-like projections in the wall to perform the function of absorption through different processes. They are called villi. And here is the B number question is, why should one brush teeth after taking foods? Explain. The answer will be, food particles that stick to the teeth caps get rotten and spread bad breath. It causes tooth caries, so teeth should be brushed and cleaned after every meal. C number question is, what are the functions of Y marked part? Answer will be, the Y marked part is stomach. It is an important organ of digestive system. Stomach is located in between esophagus and small intestine. Due to peristaltic movement of pharynx and esophagus, slimy foods are stored here. Shape of stomach is like a big bag. Its wall is thick and muscular. First and last part of stomach contains muscular rims. On the stomach wall, large number of gastric glands are found. The food temporarily stays here. Digestive juices from gastric glands help in digestion. Our D number question was, when Z mark part is damaged, what are the problems arise in human body? That means this one is Z mark. The answer will be, Z mark part is liver. Largest gland of the body is liver. Bile is produced in liver. Bile is stored in gallbladder. During digestion, bile through bile ducts come help in digestion of fats and oils. If liver is damaged, then it cannot function properly, and as a result, fat and oil digestion will be hampered. It will cause serious problems in human body. Dear student, our next question, here is a stem, heart. This is heart, and first question is, A number question is, what is pericardium? B number question is, what does the word lipase mean? Explain. C number is explain arrow mark path way of transportation of blood in the stem. You can see in this stem, you can see here is arrow mark. D number, write with reasons why we should take care of the organ in the stem to keep it healthy. A number question was, what is pericardium? I have already discussed this answer in our lecture number 8, but I will tell this again. What is pericardium? Heart is covered with two layered thin membranes called pericardium. Now B number question is, what does the word lipase means? Explain. The answer will be, lipase is an enzyme that the body uses to break down fats in food so they can be absorbed in the intestines. Lipase is primarily produced in the pancreas but is also in the mouth and stomach. C number question is, explain arrow mark path why the transportation of blood in the stem. Heart is a 4-chamber hollow organ. Upper 2 chambers of the heart are right and left atrium. Lower 2 chambers are right and left ventricle. Wall of atria are thin and that of ventricle are thick. Atria and ventricle are separated by 2 walls. Atria are smaller in size than the ventricle. In between right atricle and right ventricle there is atrioventricular aperture. That aperture has valves. Blood can enter ventricles through these apertures. Similarly, valves are present in between left atrium and left ventricle. Here also blood from left atrium can enter left ventricle only. Besides, aorta and left ventricle join and pulmonary artery and right ventricle join have similar valves. These valves control the direction of one-way blood flow. It will be 1. So these valves control the direction of one-way blood flow. D number question is, write with reasons why we should take care of the organ in the stem to keep it healthy. That means heart. So answer will be, the human heart is a powerful pump-like organ. These organs circulated the blood to and from body's millions of cells, tissues, organs and systems. Normally, an adult heart pumps 5.5 liters of blood recirculated continuously throughout the life. The heart pushes the blood into tubes called as arteries and into more tiny tubes called capillaries. We have already seen this capillaries picture in our previous class, lecture number 8. Finally, the blood goes into tissue or organs and comes back through the veins. The whole cycle takes about 1 minute, within which the blood brings oxygen and nutrients to the cells, organs, tissues, bones and muscles. Nearly 16 million people die due to the heart disease across the world. The disorders include myocardial infarction, sudden cardiac arrest and many more. The heart is to be protected. There are many diseases that target the heart, for instance diabetes, rheumatism and many more. Even the death of single cell of the heart muscle can cause big damage to the body. Our food, lifestyle and habit have an impact on the heart. So it is very important to take care of our heart in order to lead a healthy life. So dear student, I will give you some SW. Your SW number is 6 number SW. When you will do your SW, please write your SW number in top of your SW copy, and your SW will be creative questions. Answer 1 number and sub number is BC. That means here is the 2 creative questions and answer, and you have to do 1 number creative questions. Sub number is B and C. That means here is the answer. And repeat your SW. Your SW number is 6 number SW. Your SW will be creative questions and answer 1 number. Sub number is B and C. Dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit your SW on every Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm. I hope you will do your SW properly, and if you don't submit your SW yet, please do your SW, all SW from SW number 1 to SW number 6, and submit your SW on upcoming Sunday. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.